Third year English, lecture number 50, topic 1 art, poem number 8. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, third year class? I hope you are fine and living a safe and sound life with the blessings of Allah. And I pray to Allah to keep you safe and healthy forever. Ameen. Students, welcome to my class. And let's start our poem. And you know that in previous lecture, beta, I told you that how Elizabeth Bishop, she was trying to make us perfect in the art of losing things. In the art of by making us perfect, she wants to make us in order to bear the pains and hardships of the life patiently. Actually, she is trying to bear, she is trying to you can say bring or create a sense of patience among her viewers or among her readers. ठीक है, वो बेटा ये एक पेशेंस पैदा करना चाह रही है. शी इज़ ट्राइंग टू डेवलप पेशेंस in the hearts of readers so that they may be able to face the difficult realities and hardships of life manly. Clear हो गया कि वो ज़िंदगी की जितने भी हार्डशिप्स हैं, मसाइब हैं, पेन्स हैं, सफरिंग्स हैं, लॉसेस हैं, नुकसानात हैं, उनको बेटा अच्छे तरीके से बर्दाश्त कर सके. और इट इज़ हर बिग अचीवमेंट दैट शी इज़ ट्राइंग टू मेक अस स्ट्रॉन्ग. वो हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने की कोशिश कर रही है. एंड बेटा शी इज़ गिविंग हर ओन एग्जाम्पल्स in order to say that she is not just saying something. She has actually suffered and she has also experienced the loss of dear and near things. उसने बेटा अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारे जो है लॉसेस बर्दाश्त किए हैं. एंड as I told you in previous lecture that her father died when she was just 8 months old, and her mother, she had to live in an mental asylum. So it was a great loss for her that she was deprived from the love and affection of her parents in her childhood when she was even infant. So she spent her life with her paternal and maternal grandparents. That's why she is giving us examples of our own life that we may get a lesson. हमें कुछ सबक मिल सके, हमें हमारे सामने एविडेंसेस हों दैट इफ़ शी कैन बियर द पेन्स सो वी कैन ऑल्सो बियर द पेन्स. ठीक है बेटा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. लाइन्स 10 to 12. I lost my mother's watch and look, my last store next to lost of 3 loved houses went. The art of losing isn't hard to master. Now she is saying that कि she gives her own example how she said that she lost the watch gifted to her by her mother. कि उसकी मदर ने जो है मे बी शी हैड गिफ्टेड द वॉच सम ईयर्स बिफोर एंड नाउ शी हैड लॉस्ट इट बट शी वॉज नॉट डिस्टर्ब्ड एट इट. ठीक है. एंड लुक माई लास्ट और नेक्स्ट टू लॉस्ट. और उसके बाद बेटा उसने क्या खोया? वट डिड शी वट लॉस्ट शी हैड टू बियर नेक्स्ट दैट ऑफ 3 loved houses went. That she happened to live in the 3 houses in different areas, in different countries, but she happened to lose the 3 houses. ठीक है ना. She has to leave the dearest of the 3 houses. एक उसको बेटा घर था जो बहुत उसको पसंद था. ठीक है ना. And she had to lose that house as well. So she's saying that she took this loss with a smile on her face. She did not lose heart even at the loss of the you can say material things. ठीक है ना. कि these are not as much worthy as her parents, and if she bore that loss, she is ready to face every loss of her life. So that's why she's saying that she lost her mother's watch and she lost the 3 houses, but she is not, you can say, losing her heart, and that's why she's saying that art of losing isn't hard to master. There is no difficulty in learning the art of losing. Okay. Yes beta. Line number 13 to 15. I lost 2 cities, lovely ones and vaster. Some realms I owned, 2 rivers, a continent. I missed them, but it wasn't disaster. So beta, one more thing that she is sharing with us, that I lost two cities. मीन टू से कि शी हैपन टू नो एंड लिव इन टू सिटीज़, ठीक है ना, कि वो दो सिटीज़ में उसको रहने का इतफाक़ हुआ, शी विच वर वेरी डियर टू मी, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा अजीज़ थी, ठीक है, एंड शी लॉस्ट दो सिटीज़ एंड वास्टर, वास्टर मीन वास्ट वाइड, वो बहुत बड़ी भी थी, ठीक है। सम रेलम्स आई ओन्ड, रेलम मीन किंगडम, सल्तनत थी उसकी अपनी, या आप कह सकते हैं कि वो जो शहर थे वो उसकी सल्तनत थे, मीन टू से कि शी बिलोंग टू दैट सिटी, सो शी हैड इन द सेंस ऑफ ओनिंग दो सिटीज़, कैसे लगता था वो उसकी ओन में है, ठीक है। टू रिवर्स अ कॉन्टिनेंट, अब दो रिवर्स उसके पास तो नहीं थे एक्चुअली, शी सेइंग दैट शी रिमेंबर्ड, ठीक है ना, शी रिमेंबर्ड दोज रिवर्स, उन रिवर्स को वो याद रखती है। और कॉन्टिनेंट, ठीक है ना, एक कॉन्टिनेंट भी है, दैट इज़ अफ्रीका। आई मिस दैम बट इट वॉज अ डिज़ास्टर, कहते मैंने उनको मिस किया है बट इट वॉज अ डिज़ास्टर, डिज़ास्टर मीन डिस्ट्रक्शन। सो बेटा अब हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि इन दीज लाइन्स द पोएटिस ट्राइज टू प्रोड्यूस इन अस अ स्पिरिट ऑफ पेशेंस एंड बियर कि पेशेंस और बियर जो है वो उसकी हमारे अंदर बेटा शी इज़ ट्राइंग टू प्रोड्यूस इन अस स्पिरिट ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स। She says that she happened to live in two cities which were very dear to her. ठीक है ना, she has in the possession of her memory some vast kingdoms, two rivers and a big continent. बेटा ये सारे उसकी memory में थे, river, continent, ठीक है। So they were in her memory and she lost her memory, means to say she forgot the names of even those rivers and continent. So she is not worried at all. She genuinely lost them by letting them slip out of her mind, ठीक है ना, उसके जहन से वो निकल गए। सो शी इज़ नॉट टू मच डिस्टर्ब्ड, शी फेल्ट देयर लॉस नो डाउट बट इट डिड नॉट डिस्कम्फर्ट हर, शी वॉज नॉट ग्रीव्ड एट दिस लॉस, दैट्स व्हाई शी इज सेइंग दैट आई मिस देम बट इट वॉज एन डिजास्टर, कि उसको मिस कर रही है, मीन टू से शी वॉज मिसिंग द कॉन्टिनेंट्स, द सिटीज़, द रिवर्स, बट इट वॉजंट अ डिस्ट्रक्शन। She is bearing, she is facing their loss, although she is grieved, but she is not so much disturbed. Clear beta? So, come to next line. Yes, last line of the poem. Even losing you, the joking voice, a gesture I love. I shan't have lied, it's evident. The art of losing isn't too hard to master, though it will look right it like disaster. So beta, the concluding lines of this very poem is saying that now the very biggest disaster of our life was even losing you. Losing you mean the poet suggests that she has lost the love of her loved ones, whom she loved a lot. She was being deprived of his love, ठीक है ना। So she is saying that in a joking voice, बड़े एक जो है वो enjoyable jokes जो है वो उसके you can say lover के हैं, the joking voice, a gesture, कि these were the you can say gestures थे उसके, और voice थी, actions और movement थी, she loved that movement, she loved that voice, she loved that joking actions. So she lost all these things whom she loved a lot, ठीक है ना, वो जिससे बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करती थी, ठीक है। he was very dear to her, and his sweet voice and good jokes, they were also very dear to her. So now she is perfect in the art of losing things, that she is even ready to lose her lover as well, ठीक है ना। I shan't have lied, it's evident. She's saying that she is ready to lose her lover, she is not telling a lie, because she has got mastery on the losing of things. That's why it wouldn't create a lot of problems, it wouldn't create a lot of troubles for her that she is losing her lover as well. The art of losing isn't too hard to master, and she's saying that the poetess sums up her arguments by saying that it is not difficult to master the art of losing things. ठीक है ना, we must try to lose our dearest things. In this way, we can bear all type of losses calmly and patiently. Although she is saying that, though it may look like disaster, although if we get mastery on the losing of art, on the art of losing things, it is a disaster, it is a destruction, it may create a lot of problems for us, ठीक है ना, but it is very important and it is very necessary to understand, to learn this art, because this art may keep us strong in front of the losses of our life. Otherwise we may get break, because in every person's life beta there are a lot of problems, बहुत problems होती हैं, there are many losses, there are many incidents that we have to bear patiently. So that's why the poetess is trying to make us, you can say, brave and patient by giving our own examples from losing petty things to big things. So beta, if we learn this art, you can say gradually one day will come when we will get mastery over that art, even if it is a disaster as well. So beta, this was the poem and I hope that you have well understood it. And beta, if you find any difficulty in any stanza, in any line, you may ask me and I will wait for your feedback, how much you have understood it beta. It is very important poem from paper point of view as well, from our life, because it's based on life incidents and the, you can say, experience of life. So beta, I hope you have well understood, and till tomorrow's lecture, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz, and remember me in your prayers.